Okay, now let's do some arms. We're going to start with doing a standing bicep curl. Now you can use a resistor band, but you're also welcome to use weights if you want a lot more resistance. So starting with your arms close to the body, turn them outwards to concentrate on the lower part of your inner bicep. You're going to squeeze up and down. That's all there is to it. Really contracting the muscles, breathing and really concentrating there. Right? We really want to work those bicep muscles, and by turning it out, it's going to work on the inner part of your bicep. Later we'll do something else that will target different areas of your biceps, but for now we're just going to work on these curls. And give me one more. Good work. Excellent. Now let's do some overhead tricep extensions. Standing with your feet shoulder width apart, again in the pelvic tilt. Arm over the head, taking it back and extend outward. Really contracting those muscles each time. And what you can do, just to maintain that form, with your opposite arm, you can actually hold on to your elbow, extending outwards. That way it's going to help you maintain your form. And let's switch it up and do the other side now. Good job. Same idea, the opposite arm, extend outward, keeping your arm very close to your head, extending out and contracting the muscle each time. Make sure you maintain that pelvic tilt. Always hard to remember that, but if you can do that, then you're definitely getting a lot more value for each time you do this workout. Good job. Excellent. Okay, so moving on to the bicep, we're going to do an exercise known as 21s, which targets the entire bicep. Now before you start, you can wrap your resistor bands around the bar of your machine just to give you that little added bit of resistance. But if you feel like it's okay, you're welcome to get right into the exercise. So let's begin. Starting with your feet shoulder width apart, breathing in the pelvic tilt. You're going to do your first set of 7 curls, only coming up halfway, right? Really squeezing and contracting, breathing each time and keeping your elbows close to your body. Couple more, 6 and 7. Now the second set of 7, you're going to start halfway and bring it all the way up and then end halfway. Breathing. Now remember, with the 21s, you're targeting different parts of your bicep depending on where you start your curl. So for the first set, you did it halfway. Second set, you're starting halfway. And now finally, we're going to get right to the third set of the 21s, where you're going to do all the way. So now this is going to really build your entire bicep muscle. And again, you're going to do 7. Breathing each time, holding the pelvic tilt so you can work your core while you're doing the exercise. Couple more, 6, and last one, 7. Okay, now let's do some more for our triceps by doing some dips. With your legs extended out, pulling away from the machine, going down inches from the ground, contracting, keeping your elbows relatively close to your body each time. Now if you want to step it up a little bit, you can extend your legs out. Squeeze, contract. If you really want to take it up a level, you can raise one leg off the ground, and same thing on the other side. Good work. Okay, now we're going to do some concentration curls. With one foot on the plate and holding the resistor band or weights, you're going to plant your elbow into your knee and just curling up and concentrating on your bicep. That's why we call them concentration curls. It really isolates that muscle and it allows you to concentrate on it each time you bring the weight up or the resistor band. If you like, you can wrap the resistor bands around the bar to give you a little more resistance. Squeezing each time, and don't forget to breathe. And last one. Good job. All right, switch it up. Same thing on the other side. Plant one leg. Draw the elbow into the knee, bringing it up and squeezing each time, contracting those muscles, concentrating on your bicep every time you do that curl. Breathe, pull, squeeze each time. Good job. One more, and here we are. Good work. Okay, now let's do some tricep kickbacks. Facing me, bending forward, elbows tight to the body, and extend it back, squeeze, and bring it back in. Extend it back, squeeze, and bring it back in. Again, for this exercise, you want to keep your body, your elbows very tight to the body. If you want to challenge yourself a little more, you can lean forward slightly and kick it back and extend. Kick back, extend. You're really going to feel this one work and burn those tris. Keep breathing. Last one. Good work.